Here, right here, right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go.
We got him blocked in. We got him blocked. Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the car! Get out the fucking ass! Show me your ass! Fucking ass! Show me your ass! Show me your fucking ass right now! Show me your ass!
On March 21st, 2024, in Chicago's Humboldt Park neighborhood, 5 plainclothes police officers in an unmarked vehicle initiated a traffic stop. The driver was 26-year-old Dexter Reed. The officers, part of a tactical unit, alleged that Reed was not wearing a seatbelt. This stop would soon escalate into one of the most intense police shootouts the city has seen, with nearly 100 shots fired in just 41 seconds. According to the Civilian Office of Police Accountability, or COPA, Dexter Reed fired his weapon first, striking one of the officers in the wrist. In response, 4 of the officers returned fire. As Reed tried to exit his vehicle, the officers continued to discharge their weapons. In total, 96 rounds were fired by police. With the suspect down, the officers' attention turns to their wounded colleague. The officer was shot in the left wrist and was immediately transported to a nearby hospital in good condition. Dexter Reed was hit 13 times and was pronounced dead at the scene. A handgun was later recovered from the passenger seat of his vehicle.
Please, I didn't do nothing.
We got an officer struck by a car.
Where you at? Please give me a please.
Give me that phone. Where are you located for you now?
We are
Need a rifle. Roll your ass.
Don't move, man.
And then come in clear. Where are you located for EMS?
Chicago Road.
Chicago Wall for the EMS.
The sheer volume of shots fired raised serious questions about the proportionality of the force used. Bodycam footage shows officers continuing to fire even after Reed had exited his car and fallen to the ground. One officer alone fired at least 50 rounds, including the final 3 shots while Reed was motionless.
We're coming in hot. If there's any vehicle that can go southbound central for me.
We'll notify soldier you're coming in hot.
You guys, that's just all right. You're gonna have to go to the hospital too. What's the justice cost?
1595. Unit 15. Let's make it a crime scene.
Stay with us. Hey.
We need to take over 1595 for a crime scene.
Stop. You have to stay there, all right? Watch it.
Officer 3 said, chest gonna get applied?
Oh my God.
Chest gonna applied. 353 on the time.
Please,
You have another unit coming in?
please.
Right here.
I see him, bro. We good. We gonna go there.
Blocked in. We got him blocked.
Hey, Chris, what? Show me your fucking ass. Show me your fucking ass. Show me your fucking ass. Show me your ass. Show me your fucking ass right now. Show me your ass. Shots fired, squad.
Thomas, where are you guys located?
Don't fucking move.
The aftermath of the shooting led to significant public outcry and a federal civil rights lawsuit filed by Reed's family, who argue the traffic stop was unconstitutional and the force used was excessive. Investigators later questioned the validity of the initial stop, noting it would have been difficult for officers to see a seatbelt violation through Reed's tinted windows.
We got him blocked in. We got him blocked. Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out
County State's Attorney's Office later announced that no criminal charges would be filed against the officers involved, stating that the evidence showed Dexter Reed fired first. However, the Civilian Office of Police Accountability is still conducting a separate investigation into the tactics and policies of the officers. The incident remains a flashpoint in the ongoing debate about police use of force and the nature of tactical police units in Chicago.
I didn't do nothing. We got an officer.
That offender that went on foot squad, he had a rifle. Roll EMS.
Don't move, man.
And incoming clear. Where are you located for the EMS?
Chicago and Waller squad.
Chicago and Waller for the EMS.
This case is a powerful example of how quickly a routine situation can turn deadly, leaving a family grieving and a community divided. The 41 seconds of gunfire on that Chicago street will be analyzed and debated for years to come. What are your thoughts on this incident? Do you believe the officer's response was justified, given that one of them was shot? Or was the sheer volume of firepower an unacceptable escalation? Share your perspective in the comment section below. We read through your comments, and they provide valuable insight into how these events are perceived. If you appreciate our detailed breakdown of complex cases like this one, please take a moment to support the channel. Liking the video and subscribing helps us reach a wider audience and continue our work. Be sure to also click the notification bell so you're the first to know when we release our next investigation. For those who want to go a step further in supporting our mission to provide factual, in-depth analysis, consider joining our Patreon. On your screen now is another video from our archives that we think you'll find just as compelling. Thank you for watching.
I love you, bro.
2534.
I love you, P. I'm sorry, P. I love you, P.
Austin 33.
Get up. Get you up. Ready?
Austin 33.
Let me get on myself. I got you. You need to go? I'm good.
Got you transferred off to the shoulder. Austin 33.
I can't even walk. I can't even walk. I'm not. I got chest. I love you, P.